Hi guys, so I want to show you how to simplify equations using the banana man rule. So to start off, let's start with the question. So I have sorry, I just didn't want it higher up so you guys can see. Okay. X plus 8, close brackets, open brackets, x plus 5. So first of all, x times x, which is x squared. Then we have x times 5, which is 5x. 8 times x, 8x. And then x times 5, which is 40. So we don't have another x squared except this one, so we'll write x squared again. Then we can add these two together, so we would have 5x plus 8x as 13x. Then we don't have another single number, so add 40. That's your final answer. Let's start looking at another example. Okay. Okay. So we have 2y minus 6, close brackets, open brackets, y plus 7. So 2y times y is 2y squared. Then we have 2y times 7, which is 14y, minus 6 times y, which is minus 6y, minus 6 times 7, which is minus 42. So no other x squared except this one, so we would write 2y squared plus, then we have, if I can show you in a different color, 14y and minus 6y is one whole pair, so then we can do 14y minus 6y, which is 8y. Then we have numbers without a letter, so that's just minus 42. And that's your final answer. So you guys could be asking me, where's this banana man rule? So this is our banana man. This way, what happens is you do not leave out anything by accident. We can also do this with a more than 2 brackets. So if I can show you, 1 second. Yep. Let's go with blue. So x plus 4. Then we would want x plus 3. 2x plus 1. First of all, start one by one, so take it a bit by bit. Start off with x times x, x squared. Then we have x times 3, which is 3x. 4 times x, 4x, and then 4 times 3, 12. Simplify this, x squared, these two together, so 7x, then plus 12. Okay, now this is your final answer between those two. We still need to times out the 2x plus 1. If you can see directly, that is from here. These two are the same as this. So now if we want to times it out, let's do this in a different color. Okay. We would do that times that, which is 2x cubed, then that, which is x squared, then we want to do the top part, 14x squared, 7x. Notice how we have another number, so it's not just two digits, two parts in our brackets. So then, just to show you the difference, we would use 12 times 2x, which is 24x. Then we have 12 times 1, which is 12. Now, we want to add all the x cubes together, so we only have 2x cubed, so that's good. Then we want the x squared together, so if we do that in a different color, we have x squared here, so 1x squared plus 14x squared, is that, yeah, so that's 15x squared, and that's it. So we have 15x squared. Then we want the x's together, which is 7x, 24x, so add them together, 31x, and then we want all the numbers together, which is 12. And that's your final answer. And obviously we can see the banana man here. Banana man plus another bit of mess over here. Thank you for watching.